We're gonna get going on this thing. We're gonna take it apart. We're gonna take it apart.
All right, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the ZHP Garage. We are here doing the Nova build, the 1965, the one that we picked up from Reno, Nevada, and we are glad to get started on this.
Yep, we're gonna get it going. We're gonna take pretty much the stuff we're gonna keep. We're gonna take the fenders off, the hood, the bumpers, the grill, the whole sheet metal of the front end. Possibly, the battery, the radiator. You can get started on pulling the tranny out, but mostly we can concentrate on the sheet metal, the whole front group.
Yeah, and we're glad that we're going to be able to work on this because this thing is in some serious rough shape. We have gotten to look at it after the video ended, the last one that we posted when we picked it up, and we're glad that we're able to get through this because it
needs some help.
Yeah, a lot of help. So let's get started on this.
Let's get this front end apart.
All right, first we started off by taking off the hood. It's pretty interesting because some of the bolts that were used for the hood were some really random sizes. They weren't all the same size, but we got them off. And after this, then we moved on to the fenders. But before we got off the fenders, we took off all the chrome plating around the headlights right there, and then we took out the headlights. Along with the front bumper. When we started taking off the bumper underneath, we saw that it was pretty dang dirty. I don't know if it was sitting for a long time, but I think we might have to get the bumper re-chromed and just clean it off a little bit. We're not entirely too sure what we're gonna do with it, but that's just an option for right now.
You'd always be prepared to find random bolts in old cars when you take them apart. Over the years, people like to do good accessories.
So then we moved on to the grill, got the grill out of the way, set it off to the side. And then we got out the first headlight. Headlight number one. Then we started to work on this first fender right here. Get this off. The fenders are in pretty good shape. It seems like there was chrome down the side of it because on the inside of the fender there was either Bondo or it was welded, and someone didn't do the best job sanding it on the inside. But overall the fenders are in great shape. They aren't too dented up. It seems like they were well taken care of. Number two. The headlights weren't working, so we're gonna get rid of those. We're gonna get new aftermarket headlights on this. Here we are taking off the second fender, which was in the same shape as the first fender that we took off. It was in good shape, except the Bondo, as you can see right there, briefly, it was welded or bondoed over and someone didn't finish sanding the back of it.
Best battery hold down ever.
You know it. Why don't you put that in my truck? The battery was really Mickey Moused on there. It was held by some straps, as you saw there. So we're gonna end up ditching the battery. Here we're getting out the wires that were connected to the battery because we're not going to be using the battery. That battery, we're going to be putting the battery most likely in the trunk. We're getting the radiator out right now. We got off the fender, the grill, the headlights. So now we're going to focus on the engine part and the suspension, which we're not going to do all of in this video, but we're going to get a little jump on it. So then we continue on, take out the radiator so we're prepared for when we take out the engine and transmission in the next video, which you guys will see. Stay tuned. Obviously this radiator we're going to be getting rid of, selling it, because we're going to be using a different radiator. Alright, thank you everyone so much for watching the video. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit on the notifications so you get notifications every time we post a video, which is currently once a week. And next video we're going to be taking out the engine and transmission here at the Master Mechanic. What do you got to say?
Till next time.
Till next time.